Hello friends, Duncan here. In episode 2, we continue on our way out to the Espiritu Santo Archipelago. Eventually, after exploring the coast of the islands, we'll make our way to the easternmost end of the archipelago and to the island of Isolete, which is where the sea lion colony lives. I'll tell you more about the history and geography of the Espiritu Santo Archipelago a little later in the video, so please stay tuned. So follow along with me, and I hope you enjoy this video. Previously in episode 1, our guide Paula provided an excellent overview of some of the wildlife that inhabits some of the small islands just off the coast of La Paz. Another special treat in episode 1 was we got close-up views from the water of Balandra Beach. Balandra Beach is a stunningly beautiful and secluded beach located near La Paz in Baja California Sur. It is considered one of the most beautiful beaches in Mexico, with crystal clear turquoise waters and pristine white sand. The beach is surrounded by desert mountains and is part of a protected area called the Bay of Banderas National Marine Park. This means that the beach is relatively untouched and has been able to maintain its natural beauty. Balandra Beach is a popular spot for swimming, sunbathing, and snorkeling. The water is shallow and calm, making it an ideal place for families with children. There are also several small islands and rock formations that can be explored by kayak. One of the most iconic features of Balandra Beach is the large rock formation called El Hongo, the mushroom, which is a popular spot for taking photos. There's also a hiking trail that leads to a viewpoint overlooking the beach and surrounding mountains. Overall, Balandra Beach is a must-visit destination for anyone traveling to La Paz or the surrounding area. It is a natural wonder that is sure to leave visitors in awe of its beauty. Espiritu Santo Island is a volcanic island located off the coast of La Paz, Mexico. It is the largest island in the Gulf of California and has a rich geological history. The island was formed over 5 million years ago during the Miocene period as a result of tectonic activity in the region. The island's rocks are primarily volcanic and sedimentary in nature, with layers of ash, lava, and marine sediment forming the bulk of the island's geology. Over the years, the island's geology has been shaped by a number of natural forces, including erosion, volcanic activity, and sea level changes. These forces have created a unique landscape with towering cliffs, hidden coves, and crystal clear waters. The island is home to a diverse range of wildlife, including sea lions, dolphins, sea turtles, and a whole variety of fish and bird species. The colors are just really dramatic.
Now we do it.
So this rock is called the Pillar.
It almost looks like fish.
Yeah, this part, right?
The dark.
Yeah, some say it's a whale, some say it's a fish, and some say it's a snake. De este lado también los frutos tienen como una formita, ¿no? Dark.
Today, Espiritu Santo Island is a popular destination for tourists and locals alike who come to explore its unique geology and experience its stunning natural beauty. Whether you're looking to explore the island's unique geology, soak up the sun on its pristine beaches, or enjoy its abundant wildlife, Espiritu Santo Island has something for everyone.